Pero very chill Catholic ako. Kumbaga kami ni Jesus, kami ni Mama Mary, ayos kami.
Tropa yan.
Oo. Diba nga, first miracle ni Jesus, gumawa siyang wine. Bitin eh.
Bitin.
Party, wedding, nagiinuman. Tapos, ay, sir, wala na pong alak. Ha? Wala na? Oh, labas kayo tubig. Ang bala.
Ang bala.
Party pa rin tayo.
Yeah.
Kasi sir, di ba?
Correct.
Happy Holy Week.
Happy Holy Week. How was your Holy Week?
It was nice, restful.
Did you la union yourself?
Hindi ko talaga inisip eh.
No comments to. Lagi kong sinasabi dati sa mga artist na ini-interview ko. Kahit gaano ka nakasikat, keep your feet on the ground. Same goes for religion. Kahit gaano ka na kaalam doon sa iyong religion, ganun ka ka-learned.
Yeah.
But if I don't see it in you,
Then, ano
wala
ba?
rin.
Pero kung dumating ang araw, sabihin ng anak mo sa'yo, Dad, parang ayoko na yata maging Katoliko. Anong gagawin mo? Kasi ako may sagot na ako dyan. Ang sagot ko is...
Welcome sa Kwentuhang Magaang pero may laman.
We'll be giving you our takes on issues and topics na napapanahong mapag-usapan.
Pero ito naman ay ang akin lang.
Alright.
Okay.
Happy Holy Week.
Happy Holy Week. How was your Holy Week?
It was nice, restful.
Did you la union yourself?
Hindi ko talaga inisip eh.
No comment.
No comment. No. Yeah, I spent time with the family. Nakapag-rest kami, nakapag-bonding kami, kumpleto kami. So, nakakatuwa. It was very good.
Ayun, kami the usual.
Good break.
The usual Holy Week sa bahay lang.
Oo.
Yan.
Maganda yan.
Pero minsan naman din lumalabas din kami. A few years ago, we went to Nueva Ecija. And then a couple of years back, meron ding mga trips sa up north, Baguio.
Akala ko
Pero,
sabi mo, trips to Europe.
Ayan, sa ano na yan, sa June na yan, sa June. Oo. Sa June, nakanang.
Ang importante na kapag rest, may bonding sa pamilya,
Yep.
may konting pahinga sa trabaho, relax lang, tsaka parang a chance to recharge physically, emotionally, spiritually.
Yep.
Diba? Speaking of spiritually,
Ayan,
letter
sige.
reading tayo ngayon. Mag-read ka nga ng letter.
Hindi kasi para sa mga first time kami ma-encounter itong podcast na ang akin lang. Ako nga po pala si Eric. Hello.
And ako naman si Rosel.
Ayan. And then, as we move on in this episode, siguro naman malalaman niyo kung ano yung pagkatao talaga.
Pagkatao.
Kung ano yung, how we take stands on certain issues. And ito, since katatapos nga lang ng ating Semana Santa, di ba? It's like religion versus morals. Yan ang pag-usapan natin ngayon. Something na ako rin talagang gustong-gusto kong tinatalakay. Kasi, in case you didn't know, ikaw, partner.
Luma?
Lakas
Lakas maka AM.
I had a podcast before na gusto ko rin talaga i-continue na for how many years? Hindi ko lang talaga mahanapan ng tiyempo. Hindi ko masabing oras kasi I have all the time in the world.
Okay.
You know? Siguro konting inspirasyon pa para
yung
matuloy
podcast
ulit.
mo, tungkol saan?
It's about giving inspiration every day to people who would like to stick and listen to the podcast.
That's so nice. Tuloy mo yan.
So, it's about being good.
Ayan, being good.
And siguro kaya hindi ko rin siya matuloy because deep inside myself, I know there are times that hindi ako nagiging good person. So, sino ako para magsabi na magpakabait ka sa isang tao na alam ko naman sa sarili ko, hindi ako masyadong mabait mga panahon na yan.
Uy, hindi.
Diba?
Eric, kaibigan kita. Alam kong mabait ka. And hindi naman nangangahulugan na just because you want to be inspiring or you want to talk about being good is you have to, hindi naman kailangan holier than everyone, diba?
Yeah.
Ako naniniwala ako, lahat tayo, tao lang, nagkakamali, di ba? Lagi yun, tao lang nagkakamali. Pero hindi dapat natin gawing excuse ko. Tao lang ako, nagkamali ako. Dapat ikaw rin internally, you try to make yourself better. Diba?
Yes,
You try
of
to
course.
find ways kung paano ko pabubutihin ang sarili ko bilang isang tao. Paano ako makikipagkapwa-tao?
Yan, yun yung pinaka-importante nun. Keyword, pakikipagkapwa-tao.
Ayan.
Diba?
Now, speaking
So,
of
after
which...
this episode, tuloy ko na yung podcast. Ito na yung
go.
last episode ko sa Ang Akin Lang. Tutuloy ko na
Hala!
yun.
Wag! Sabay mo!
Joke. Teka,
Okay.
basa tayo. Ito. Sa... Uy, Reddit ulit.
Uy.
Sige. Okay. Ang sabi niya dito, I'm an agnostic theist. I still think it's important for children to have a religion. Okay. I'm Catholic by birth, but growing up, my knowledge of religion is limited to what we hear when we go to church and not extended to reading the Bible or having church groups. My mom never really forced us to do or learn our religion. She's very liberal with it, and I believe the last time we went to church was before the pandemic pa. I don't know stories, people, or quotes in the Bible, so whenever we have our theology class and our teachers ask us, what's the story of ganto ganyan? What's your personal encounter with God? What's your favorite Bible verse, etc.? I'm completely clueless, even though I'm Catholic. And I become like, very insecure whenever I realize that. Because how am I Catholic when I don't even know the Bible? I know there's a lot of trauma surrounding being forced into believing a religion, but I low-key wish my mom exposed us to religion more. Also in a Catholic country like ours na may ibang schools pa nga na required i-take ang theology na subject. Knowledge on religion is important. However, that doesn't change the fact that I'm an agnostic theist. First time ko na-encounter
No,
ko.
agnostic theist
Yeah.
siya.
But like if I had future kids, I will definitely make them Catholic. Make them Catholic like in the birth certificate, and teach them about the religion, just so they know something about it. But when they get older, I wouldn't force them to believe it if they don't want to, diba? Okay, so that's coming from somebody who calls himself or herself Fragrant Baseball 93.
Ayan.
Okay? Oh, ang dami kong doon.
Oo, ang dami mong naisip, nasagot.
Yes. Marami akong hindi gustong ipagdebate. I don't like debating about religion.
Mhm.
I never liked it. Marami lang akong gustong linawin. Yan.
Tungkol sa sinabi nitong
Tungkol sa sinabi ni Fragrant
ni
Baseball.
Fragrant Baseball. Okay.
Parang ngayon lang ako naka-encounter ng baseball na mabango.
Oo nga eh.
Oh.
Kasi hindi ba medyo amoy pawis? Amoy lupa din.
Amoy
kasi,
lupa,
diba?
amoy kamay.
Oo, di ba?
Diba? Anyway, what we have here, ika nga ng Guns N' Roses.
What we have here
is failure
to
to
communicate.
Yan.
Alam
yeah.
ba nila yun?
Mula sa awiting Civil War
Yeah.
ng Guns N' Roses.
Roses came
Naalala
out
ko lang. Kasi it's really failure to
to
communicate.
communicate. Yes.
Communicate what? The essence of the religion. The essence of Catholicism.
Mm.
I'm a proud Catholic.
Okay.
Yan. Hindi naman halata, di ba? I pray the rosary. I attend mass.
Mm-hmm.
I make my family, not make, I bring my family
Yes.
with me.
Yes.
sa
That's
mass.
nice. That's nice.
But I'm married to a Christian.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Never has been, or it never has been an issue.
Is she Catholic now or
No, she's still Christian.
Okay. All right.
But she comes along with us sa mass
Uh-huh.
and the worship because I attend the feast.
Okay.
Alright? So let me take this opportunity for me to get to promote the feast.
Yes, the
If
feast.
you're Catholic and you feel dry already and you feel like everything's routinary, nangyayari kasi yan talaga. I mean, with how we were brought up
Mm.
to be Catholics, attending mass, praying, parang naka-schedule lahat.
Oh,
Parang,
please stand, please sit.
oo, parang ganyan.
Kneel. Oh, it's a set of
Finding
routines.
your own Catholic charismatic community would help you a lot.
Okay.
So
and
ako, it so happened that I belong to the feast.
Tapos
so-
si Vicky, sumasama siya sa'yo.
Yeah.
Ikaw ba nag-a-attend ka rin nung mga, let's say, worship ng
Before,
church niya?
when she was still attending.
Oh, no,
Oo.
very active din siya. Mm.
Before, yeah.
So, hindi mo siya pinilit, let's say,
No.
na maging Catholic ka rin?
No.
Okay.
But siguro at some point when we, kasi wala pa naman kaming ang wedding namin ng aking may bahay ay civil pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Yes. So, pagka nagkaroon na kayo ng church wedding, pagdidesisyon nyo na, kung
Siguro.
anong church.
Siguro. Oo.
Kung
Or sa Boracay ba to?
kung sa Boracay kailangan Christian service or Christian wedding.
Okay. So malalayo tayo. Babalikan ko to si Fragrant Baseball. Kaya ako sinabing failure to communicate. Kasi nga, I think yung kinalakhan mo na pagiging Catholic was something na maraming tao ang nakaranas din yan. That's why so many people actually bolted out of the Catholic Church and went and then looked for their their anong tawag nito, kung saan sila komportable.
Yes.
'Di ba? So, and I find nothing wrong with that. I find nothing wrong with that. But if it could have been avoided because na-communicate nga sa iyo yung true essence of the Catholic Church.
Yes.
And kasi sabi mo dito, gusto mo pa rin naman na na importante sa iyo na may religion yung mga anak mo. Hindi lang dahil sa birth certificate.
Yeah, kasi parang by default maraming Pilipinong pinapanganak na Catholic.
Kasi nga binanggit mo about the academe sa mga universities, may mga ako sa UST rin ako nag-aral, kailangan mo talaga mag-take na theology. 'Di ba? Siguro when you get to experience a life that is full of gratitude, that is full of just being thankful, it won't really matter if ikaw ay sabihin nating very religious person or someone who just has a very sound moral compass.
That's true. That's
Diba?
true. I think ang nagiging problema din nung nagsulat niyan. And ako rin personally, kasi ako, I'm sort of like that. I may not be as religious as you are. I'm also Catholic. Pero very chill Catholic ako. Kumbaga kami ni Jesus, kami ni Mama Mary, ayos kami.
Tropa yan.
Oo. Diba nga, first miracle ni Jesus, gumawa siyang wine. Bitin Bitin yung party, di ba? Oo, totoo. I mean, people keep saying, di ba, masaya sila. Party, wedding, nagiinuman. Tapos, ay, sir, wala na pong alak. Ha? Wala na? Oh, labas kayo tubig. Ang bala.
Sabi
diba?
ni Mary, di ba? Parang, basta kung ano sabihin ng anak ko, sundin nyo lang.
Oo, sundin nyo lang. Bakit ganun? Hindi, kulang kayo tubig. Ang bala. Party pa rin tayo. Diba si sir, di ba?
Correct.
And I like that idea of a God. Hindi yung manginginom I like that idea of a God who is loving, who is there for you, who wants people to be loved and feel happy.
Because you have to appreciate the fact that, he became human for us.
Yes. Now,
and part of that being human is doing human things.
Exactly. And enjoying a party.
Yes.
A wedding party na may inuman.
Nung nabitin, sige, akong bala.
Ako bala. Para masaya tayo, tuloy ang party.
Now, and then for you guys to appreciate this fact better, especially the first
miracle.
You go watch The Chosen.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
If you have a chance.
Hindi ko na pala yan.
Go watch, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Go watch it.
Baka it'll make me a better Catholic.
Diba? Kahit naman tapos na yung Holy Week, hindi naman nakakahon dun sa season, diba? Go watch The Chosen. And then, bago mo simulan panoorin, read up on its background, how it was started, kung bakit siya pinoproduce, sino nagpo-produce, paano siya pinoproduce.
Okay, I will.
And you'll appreciate it much, much better. Ayun.
Hindi, ako kasi going back, and then relating dun sa sumulat na yan. Parang ako, I feel like what makes you a better person, your moral compass, for me, that's what matters more.
Yeah.
Now, religion does have its place. Kasi kailangan mo as a person, ako personally, I feel na kailangan merong spiritual grounding.
Yes.
Na merong tumutulong sa akin o gumagabay sa akin kung saan ako papunta. Or in the days where I feel very low, very unsure, masarap yung feeling na alam mong meron kang masasandalan na hindi lang kaibigan, hindi lang asawa, kumbaga a higher being na pwede mong sandalan. Now sometimes, and also aside from yung meron kang masasandalan, it's also about being a good person. Kumbaga morally, kamusta ka pagka nakikipagkapwa-tao ka?
Yes, kasi pwede ring regular churchgoer ka, umaga pa lang, nasa simbahan ka na, nagsiserve ka sa misa,
Yes.
you're a very important person pagdating sa parish ninyo.
Oo.
Pero,
Or kung Christian ka,
oo,
kasama mo lagi yung mga pastor, lagi kang nandun
Yan.
sa mga Bible study.
di ba?
Oo.
Ganon, yung picture mo, marami kang photos na nakapikit ka, nakataas yung kamay mo in worship.
Aha.
Pero, yung kapitbahay mo, your next door neighbor, inis na inis sa'yo.
Kasi salbahe ka.
Kasi salbahe ka.
Correct. Or, ginagamit mo ang relihiyon mo para i-justify yung mga ginagawa mong mali.
Yan.
That is very wrong. Basahin ko to ha.
Sige.
Sabi niya, you don't need religion to have morals. If you can't determine right from wrong, then you lack empathy, not religion.
Mhm.
Sabi niya, coming out as an atheist in the Philippines is almost unheard of. Filipinos are very religious people, and it bothers me that most people think that having no beliefs or religion automatically means that I either worship the devil or I'm just going through a bad time in my life. Having no religion is an option. I respect other people's beliefs, but why can't they respect mine? It's very frustrating. Babalik ako dun kasi sinasabi niya, kailangan, meron din siyang karapatan na hindi magkaroon ng relihiyon. Ako naniniwala ako, lahat tayo, we have that right. We have that right to choose whether you want to believe in a God or not.
Mhm.
Kasi, tayo di ba? Pinanganak ka, sinabi ng constitution natin yon
Yeah.
na,
Yeah.
di ba, meron kang freedom of religion.
Legal
Legal.
yan. Oo.
Now, going back, ang mas mahalaga sa akin as a person is finding my spiritual core. And to me, my religion is important. Yung Diyos na dinadasalan ko, importante yun sa akin.
Yes.
And as a parent, katulad nung sinabi nung nagsabi siya sa Reddit, gusto kong gabayan din yung mga anak ko na kung ito ang relihiyon na pinaniniwalaan ko, syempre responsibilidad ko yun as a parent to lead them properly, to lead them in the proper direction. Gabayan sila, palakihin sila ng tama. Pero kung dumating ang araw, sabihin ng anak mo sa'yo, Dad, parang ayoko na yata maging Katoliko. I think I'm finding spiritual fulfillment elsewhere.
Mhm.
Anong gagawin mo? Kasi ako may sagot na ako dyan eh. Ang sagot ko is, anak, malaki ka na. Whatever gives you the peace that you're
You
looking
decide.
for, you decide.
Mhm.
Syempre, it has to be a good religion ha. Hindi yung
Yeah.
gagawa ka ng masama o meron ka iaalay sa altar na gano'n. Hindi yung gano'n. Yung kumbaga ang akin, kung saan ka, what makes you a better person, then that's where you go.
Yeah.
Diba? Mali yung blind faith eh. Yung sumusunod ka lang, let us sit, let us stand.
Yeah.
Magpa-pray ka ng novena, hindi mo alam bakit mo dinadasalan yung
You have to
diba?
understand.
You have to understand.
And to be able to understand what your religion teaches you is if you take it by heart.
Correct.
'Di ba? Huwag mong ipaintindi sa utak mo, paintindi mo sa puso mo.
Oo.
Kasi yun nga, sinasabi rin dito nung binasa natin kanina, 'di ba? Parang pag tinatanong daw siya about sa experience or in personal encounter niya with God, wala siyang maisagot. Baka kasi ang iniisip mo is literal.
Na meron siyang maririnig na,
Oo. Di ba?
sa may ilaw.
Kung magkaroon ka ng personal encounter with God na literal, hindi ka makakabalik dito sa amin. Wala na kwentuhan yan. Di ba?
Hindi, find God in the everyday encounters of your life. Ako,
Yes.
yun eh. Pag nakahanap ka ng taong mabuti sa'yo, that's actually an act of God.
Mhm.
For me na pag meron kang nagawang mabuti sa isang tao, nakaramdam ka ng kabutihan from another person, that's God speaking through them to you.
Yeah.
Diba?
Mga ginamit na instrumento ng Panginoon, di ba?
Diba?
Para makarating sa'yo. And ako, coming from my younger years, hindi rin naman kami mabasa ng Bible na family.
Mhm.
My mom never really imposed na, kailangan magbasa ka ng Biblia.
Mm.
And yeah, we had the Bible at home. And we used Bibles in school.
In school, yeah.
Diba? Pero ako, tanungin mo ako hanggang ngayon kung ano yung...
Artikulo.
I mean, I have my favorite verses. Diba?
Mhm.
Personally, hanggang ngayon, it's Jeremiah 29:11. So, go look it up.
Sabihin mo na. Total, nandito na rin lang tayo.
Hindi, parang nga may challenge sa kanila.
Oo, look it up. Okay,
Look
go.
it up. And malalaman mo na dapat ka maging kampante
Aha.
because of that verse.
Okay.
Don't be too worried about what's happening in your life. Like, di ba, recently, sobrang skyrocketing ang mga presyo ng lahat. Di
At
ba?
nakakatakot ang mga balita kung
Nakakatakot.
saan-saan.
Di ba? Jeremiah 29:11. Just read it and understand it with your heart. Ngayon, so babalik ako dun sa pinupunto ko kanina. Na it's not about kung kabisado mo yung Bible from page 1 to the last page.
Mhm.
It's actually just living a life na yung mensahe ng Biblia yung nakikita sa buhay mo.
Yan.
'Di ba?
It's also about being a good person. Kasi, di ba, sabi nung nagsulat dito sa Reddit, just because atheist ako, ibig sabihin, ang sama ko. It's not
Hindi.
that di
Oo.
ba? Ako, naniniwala ako na you can be a good person even without religion. Pero kailangan good person ka. Don't use it as a crutch
Yes.
na manira ng iba
Yes.
or mag-disrespect sa relihiyon ng iba. Maski sa mga Katoliko or Christians,
Mhm.
makakilala kayo ng tao mula sa ibang relihiyon. Kunyari, Muslim siya. Automatically ba, assume mo na masama tong taong to dahil iba kayo ng relihiyon?
Correct.
Hindi ganun yun eh. Being spiritual, being prayerful, doesn't work that way.
Tsaka isa pa na nagiging common mistake ng mga tao nagpa-practice ng religion is looking down nga
On others.
on others na sobrang walang faith,
Mhm.
'di ba? Na instead of you introducing God to that person, you condemn that person right away.
Exactly. Ini-impose mo yung beliefs mo sa kanya imbis na i-encourage siyang maging mabuting tao.
Yeah.
'Di ba?
So, ang akin lang dito, kumbaga, lagi kong sinasabi dati sa mga artist na ini-interview ko, kahit gaano ka nakasikat, keep your feet on the ground.
Yan.
Same goes for religion. Kahit gaano ka na sabihin mo na kaalam doon sa iyong relihiyon, kabisado mo na ang halos kalahati ng Biblia. You can recite all sacraments for example, para sa mga Katoliko, kabisado mo lahat ng sacraments, alam mo lahat ng ginagawa sa each sacrament, 'di ba? Ganun ka ka-learned
Yeah.
na Catholic faith practitioner. But if I don't see it in you,
Then, ano
wala
ba?
rin.
Ako
Diba?
naman, ang akin lang, does your religion make you a good person?
Ah.
'Di ba? Yung paniniwala mo ba, ito ba ay nakakadagdag sa pagiging mabuti mong tao?
Mhm.
Does it help you inspire other people? Are you good to other people dahil sa faith mo? And kung wala ka namang faith, isa ka bang taong marangal, mabuti? Are you at peace with yourself? Yung paniniwala mo ba or lack of pinaniniwalaan, are you at peace? In the end, it's all that. Mabuti ka bang tao?
Yeah.
And religion should amplify that. Religion should make you better, not make you this person everybody loves to hate.
And
Maging
go-
mabuti.
And go find the community.
Ah.
If you're in doubt on what to do, if you're someone who is thinking na parang di ko na alam yung direction ko sa pagiging Kristiyano, or go find yourself a community.
Okay, that's great actually. Kasi naman, community is next to Nag-iisip ako ng joke. Hindi ako katulad mo na may mga tito jokes eh.
Ayan, well, a community will help you and help you experience.
Hindi kasi 'di ba ganun naman talaga ang essence ng being a church eh. Hindi lang naman ikaw at ang Diyos mo. Ikaw din at ang mga
At
taong
ang mga tao
nakapaligid-
nasa paligid.
mo, 'di ba? Maging mabuting tao, maging maka-Diyos. Kung wala ka man Diyos sa buhay mo, matutong maging mabuti.
Alright.
Alright.
At ang akin lang ay magbabalik po sa susunod. Yan.
At ito ang
Ang akin lang.